Welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm going to explain about Google Ads. So I already explained you the things like what is impression in the previous video, what is click, and what is ad rank, and what are the benefits, what are the disadvantages of the Google Ads. Now I'm going to explain you the different types of networks in Google Ads. Then Google Ads account structure. These things you're going to learn. First thing, someone searching a keyword. When they're searching the keyword, some ads are coming anyway. And as I already told you, when someone searching results are coming, this is called SERP page, search engine results page.
Why is that related? If when you search that on the right hand side, it's showing related keywords.
This is a
How?
tool. This is a tool I'm using. That is a
Oh,
tool
okay.
I'm using. So someone searching results are coming. This is called SERP page. Typical SERP page have top 4 ads, bottom 3 ads
Okay.
maximum, but it can be 3, 2, sometimes no ads also. Okay. When you're searching ad is coming, this is called search network. And this is a text to ad. Can you see this? It's a text ad. Okay. Whenever people click, then only they will not charge for impression, they will charge for the click. So the network, this is a search network, and ad type is text ad, and bidding type is CPC, and where your ad is appearing? Ad is appearing on
Top.
CRP, search engine results page.
Okay.
So this is the ad type, this is the bidding, this is where ad appears. Search network, this is
So,
called search network.
okay.
Clear? Next, display network.
What is search network?
This is search
Where the
network.
text where the text ad is coming.
Yeah, someone searching your ad is appearing. This is called search network.
Okay.
So because people searching your ad is appearing, this is highly targeted network, correct? Now your
Yeah.
ad will not appear to the random people who you are search. They are searching means they already know about the service and desperately they're looking for the service. They'll pick anyone. See, as of now, my ad is coming on top. Online digital trading
Okay.
ad is coming on top. We're running
Okay.
Google ads. Now you'll be learning soon how to make ad of your clients or your website here. Next,
Mm-hmm.
whenever you go to some websites, you will see ads. Have you seen ads on some websites? Can you see here?
Yeah. Yeah.
My ad is coming. Mostly this is image ad anyway, but this time here video ad is coming. Let's show some other website.
Whose ad is that?
This is Razorpay.
Okay.
It's about payment gateway. Now see, can you see the ad? And when I play been some post also, here is one ad. These are all the ads. These are the ads.
Okay.
So whenever you're browsing some websites, you will see ads. These comes under display network, and this ad can be, what is ad type? Is it a text ad? What is this ad?
Display.
It's an image ad. We can call it as an
Yeah.
image, banner, or rich media interactive ad. Rich media interactive ad means image will have some graphics. That is called rich media interactive ad.
So it's not video ad?
It's not video ad. It's an image, banner, or rich media interactive ad. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Here, bidding. So who will use this anyway? See, someone searching your ad is appear. This is highly targeted. Now you want to watch this post. Suddenly ads are appearing. Do you think these are relevant? You want to read this blog. Suddenly ads are coming. These ads might be irrelevant, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So uh, one more thing. Now people are searching means they know about the brand. They know about digital marketing. That's why they're searching. I assume that today only I
Mm-hmm.
started one real near course like RPA. Many people know anyway. I assume that nobody knows RPA. Then who will search? Nobody knows what is RPA. Then they will not search. At the time, that is a new product or new service. I have to create a brand awareness. What is that RPA? robotic process automation. At the time, you will pick these kind of ads. Okay,
Display ad.
this display ad. So display ads will be good for branding. Startup companies will use this, or else new product or service launched. You want branding, you'll go for this. Okay, through
Mm-hmm.
image banner or rich media interactive, do it. Here, CPM, cost per mile or cost per thousand impressions. 1,000 times they saw your
Mm.
ad, you have to pay money. No matter whether they clicked or not, branding is happening, you'll pay. This is much cheaper than the search network anyway, because you're paying for the impressions. CPM, where your ad is appearing. Where your ad is appearing?
On websites or
Websites,
whatever.
right? Okay, I'm writing as
Yeah.
a websites. Do you think that every website will get ads? Have you seen ads on
No.
Amazon website?
Yes,
So you have seen ads on Amazon website.
I think so, yeah. No, 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 it's their own advertisements,
You
their own
have
banners.
you have seen Amazon ads on other websites, but you never saw ads on Amazon
Any
because
ads on Amazon websites, yeah.
Amazon will not entertain ads. If they start showing ads, then Flipkart ad will come, eBay ad will come. So there
Okay.
are two kinds of websites. One is advertiser, one is publisher. Now see my clients, Pizza Crew, they sell wigs online. I'm helping them doing a shopping ads, complete Google ads. I'm taking care. Now see, their website doesn't have any ads. If they start showing ads, then other ads will come, competitor ad will come. Now
So how do we,
they
okay,
only showing ads on some other websites. Okay, this guy intention is to not earn money from the ads. They want to earn money by selling the service. This is advertiser. Now when it comes to this guy, this is a blog. He will not get any money from the blog. The only source of income he will get with the ads only. So this guy want to earn money through the ads. So this guy is a publisher. This guy is advertiser. Okay. Now you also created one website. What is the website you created? What is the website I gave to you from my side? Lubna.
Dial Palamaru,
Lubna is at what?
lubna.dialpalamaru at lubna.dialpalamaru.com.
Is it available still? Now
Yeah, should be, I
this is
think so.
publisher. This is advertiser. You're nothing. You're neither a
Hmm.
publisher nor advertiser.
Okay,
Okay, because you created this, isn't that you're writing many blogs anyway, you want to earn money. You want to earn money, but you're not qualified. You want to be a
okay,
publisher, but you're not qualified. Okay,
okay.
people who are qualified, they are called Google Display Partner websites. This means they want to earn money. At the time they apply to Google with the help of tool called Google AdSense. Then if Google approve, they'll become. So display network ad will appear on the Google Display Partner websites, not just website. It should call Google
But
Display.
why, okay, so if anyone wants to publish advertisements, they need to approach Google to qualify them
Correct.
for running ads.
Correct.
Okay.
If they want
What
to
about
show
advertisers?
this advertiser, go for Google ads, right? That's what you're
So
learning.
they are not interested to publish any advertisements.
Listen, Google ads. You pay money to Google to show ads across Google and Google partners.
Yeah.
Okay, Google ads are paying. Where Google AdSense is a tool where you will receive. You means here publisher, any website or app from Google. Okay, so if you want full clarification, I'll show one thing. You will understand this. With this, you'll understand. See, advertiser. Anyone, it can be Amazon or else Flipkart, Kotak Mahindra, Apollo Hospital, or it's a beauty crew. These people, they have a product or services. They want to earn money by selling the product. If they want to do it traditionally, they'll do it in many ways. If they want to do it online, 90% they have to depend on Google only. Google only will help you. But how Google will help you? They can't contact Google directly by making call or email. So Google have designed one tool called Google Ads. With this tool only, you have to create ads and give it to Google. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Now Google took money, Google took ads. They have to show, right? But the problem is Google doesn't have any website. Then Google will depends on the publishers only. That publisher can be ODMT, Rochnow, Histeco, any of your website or blog, or else your lubna.dialpalamuru.com. Now these kind of
Mm-hmm.
people, they create the website to earn money by showing the ads on their website.
Mm-hmm.
These people, if they want to earn money online, they contact Google. Now Google check their quality. If everything is fine, Google approve it. Now these become Google Display Partner website. What Google is doing smartly, taking the advertiser money and ads, okay, and showing on the publisher website. Here. Now, how Google is distributing money? Google, assume that Google is taking $100 from the advertiser. Google keeps 45%, $45, and the remaining $55 Google is giving to the publisher. A publisher is happy because he's earning money. Advertiser is happy, is getting branding. Google is happy, is getting 45% commission. Got
But
it?
for example, if I'm the advertiser and I don't want my ads to be published on those kind of websites where Google is publishing, then
Why you want to? Why you don't want?
there
Why you
could
don't?
be, because my target audience could be different, isn't it?
No, see, wherever your target audience is there, put that website. Definitely, your target audience will be there on some particular website, right? Select those websites. There are a number of
Ah,
websites,
okay.
right?
So we can select those websites.
Yes, you can select the website. That is what you're going to learn in the Google Ads. So as of now, within these 2 weeks, what you're going to learn is advertiser. In the future, you'll be learning publisher also. As of now, you're here being an advertiser, how
Oh,
to show your ads on the different websites.
all
Okay,
right.
clear?
Yeah.
You understood this?
Yes.
Right. So display network ads will appear on Google Display Partner websites, and sometimes on YouTube also you will see ad. I'm not talking about the video ad. I'm talking about the banner ad. While you're trying to play the video, in the between some banners will come. Sometimes your ad will appear on mobile app also. This is called display network. Next is video. Now while you're playing YouTube, assume that I'm playing this song. I want to play
Yeah.
this song. Suddenly one ad is coming. Sometimes I can skip, sometimes I can't skip anyway. So if you're
Yeah.
working for any particular company, you need more branding. Okay, this is also one campaign to do that. This is another network,
Mm.
video network. Here your ad type is video. So video, what is ad type is video, and what is
Video.
the bidding type? Search is
Um.
CPC. This is CPM, cost per. Any guess? View,
No.
cost per view. And where your ad is appearing? YouTube. Your ad will
YouTube.
appear on YouTube. Sometimes it will appear on websites also, but very rare. Very rare. Okay. So as of now, stick to YouTube only. Next, shopping. I'm searching laptop. When I search laptop, here one ad is coming. What kind of ad is this? Is the search or display?
Um. Text. This is search.
It's a search network text ad. Okay, text ad. Someone click, they'll charge you money. CPC. But can you see right hand side? This is called shopping
Yeah.
ads. These are shopping ads.
Okay.
Okay, and the both ad will appear on SERP only, and this is both text and image ad. So text is there, image is there. The only difference is here customer clicked, whether they purchased or not, they click, they charge money, but here customer purchased, they charge you money. CPA. Shopping ad, it's both text and image ad. Bidding type is CPA, cost per acquisition, where your ad appear on a SERP page. Clear? Now mobile app. Mobile app is different anyway. The intention of mobile app is to get more installs. You have an app, you're looking for more installs, you'll go this. So mobile app ad will appear on mobiles only. Someone searching like order food online. If you try from your mobile phone, now see, it's a desktop. When I click here, it will go to the website only. But if you click on this from your mobile phone, when you click, it'll go to the Play Store. Means the intention of this campaign is to get more installs anyway. It will go to the Play Store. Means this is a mobile app ad. And when you open,
How do we know if it's a mobile ad on website?
because okay, the difference is it look like this, right? When you check on
Yeah.
mobile, you will see install option over there. There is an option called install.
Okay.
Okay, apart from this, you will see install. Check from your
Mm-hmm.
mobile phone when you're free. You'll understand that.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And when you go to the websites, also there is an ad. See, when I click on this ad, actually, it will go to this website. It will go to this Razorpay website. Okay, but if it is a mobile app ad, your ad will appear here like this Swiggy or whatever it may be. If you click, it will go to the Play Store. It will make you to install that app. So here. Next, YouTube also. Whenever you're trying to play the video, normal video here, when I click on this, it will go to the website. But here, if it is a mobile app ad, here install option will be there. Someone click, it will go to the Play Store. So mobile app ad, it can be text, it can be image, or it can be video. And your ad will appear on SERP, it will appear on websites, it will appear on YouTube, it will appear on Play Store. Now, can you
And
guess
what is the
the?
bidding?
Now you guess what is the bidding type? CP?
Installation.
Correct. Cost per install. CPI. These are all the five networks you're gonna learn. Five networks,
So I'm
five.
already smart.
You're very smart, Lubna. So five networks and five certifications you're gonna learn. Certifications are very hard. 80% you have to get, then only you can clear it. 17 also fail. Don't worry. I'll give the foundation in such a way that you can clear all the certifications. Clear? But make sure that you learn the basics properly. If you learn these basics, you can do much better. This is the networks. Clear?
Yeah.
Right. Next, you should learn is Google Ads account structure. Google Ads account structure. Google Ads follow some structure. Before you running a campaign directly, you can't go to the campaign and do it anyway. You should know the account structure. So this is the account structure. Accounts, campaigns, ad groups, keywords, ads. Okay, I'll explain you what is this. Right. So what is this? Let me show in the paint. Right. Assume that here the task is ODMT came to you. ODMT says that we want to run 40 lakhs rupees. We have a 40 lakhs budget and we want to run the ads in Hyderabad and Bengaluru, two places. And ODMT is providing, assume that courses like digital marketing, data science, and big data. These are three courses we're providing. This is the information client will give to you. Now with this, instead of directly going to the tool, you have to create an account structure. Now how to create it? First is accounts. Account. Account means the client Gmail account. Now client Gmail account is
Not
what?
our Gmail account. We have to use the client's Gmail account.
So I assume that as of now, you will use yours anyway. You can use clients also. Whatever it may be, it's a Gmail account. Either yours or the clients. But actual scene is different anyway once you go. But as of now, remember like this only. See, complete codes sometimes to make the student easy. I'll tell something else. But at the end, I'll tell you finally how it works. If I use the big terminology, you will not understand now. Okay, got it, Lubna?
Yep.
Yes. So AdWords account, client Gmail account, you log in. Next, campaigns. Campaigns, nothing but what locations you want to target. 1 second, just be with me. Yes. So here account means client Gmail account. Here campaign 1, campaign 2 means which location you want to target the ad. The client already told that I want to target Hyderabad and Bangalore. So take that. So it's a locations actually.
We can have multiple locations at one time, right?
What do you mean by that?
Like here it's showing 2, but I can have 5 cities.
In one place?
Yeah.
So here two,
Account
right?
structure mein.
Yeah, account structure mein here Hyderabad and Bangalore. In such a way, you can target Mumbai, Chennai. In such a way,
Exactly.
up to 10,000 campaigns you can create
All right.
maximum.
All right.
Nobody use this much anyway, but maybe 5 to 6 places, sometimes 20 places also people use. This is the maximum limit. Campaign. Ad group. In Hyderabad, what service you providing? So as client says, they're providing digital marketing, data science, and big data.
Mm-hmm.
Big data. Now
Mm.
in Bangalore also they're providing the same.
Mm-hmm.
Bangalore also they're providing same thing. So account, campaign, and this ad groups. Let me divide like this. This is the campaigns. This is the accounts. Now this each campaign, these services are there. Digital marketing, data science, big data, three only. Instead of you can try Java, .NET, in such a way
Yeah,
maximum
yeah.
20,000 services you can mention. What are we learning today?
Okay.
What are we learning now? Google Ads?
Account structure.
Google Ads, right?
Yeah.
Why we need Google Ads? What is the use of Google Ads?
At one time we can
No, you can go
reach
for
out
you can go
to,
for SEO, right? You can go for SEO. Why I'm going for Google?
yeah.
Why I'm going for Google Ads?
I think because SEO the results take a longer duration, whereas
Correct.
Google Ads you can reach your clients in less time.
So for the particular keyword, my website is not coming on top. It might take some time. That's the reason immediately I'm buying that keyword. Okay. So here below ad groups, I mentioned keywords, right? For whatever the keywords, assume that if your SEO is not performing well, mention those keywords. I want to run my ad for this keyword. Keywords means that only.
Mm.
So
Mm.
here under digital marketing, those keywords, like I'm writing
Mm.
digital marketing training in Hyderabad. Assume that I mentioned one keyword. Someone searching this keyword, digital marketing training in Hyderabad, my ad appear. If one guy searching digital marketing classes in Hyderabad, will my ad appear?
No.
No. So you have to mention that keyword also, digital marketing classes in Hyderabad. There is one big
At
topic
one
called
time, how many keywords can you use in these kind of campaigns?
10,000.
All right.
Okay. There is a big topic called keyword match types. Then you'll understand for which keywords ad will appear. As of now, remember that if you mention this, then customer have to type the same thing, then only ad will appear. Otherwise, no. So the limitation is 10,000 maximum. Now, in order to represent all these things, you should have an ad, right? You would have seen this text ad, this ad. That ad also you have to design this. Here you'll be designing this ad. For digital marketing, keywords ads, data science, keywords ads, big data, keywords ads. This is the ad.
What do you mean by keywords and ads? Like keywords I understood, but after keywords you have to design
See,
the ad.
you mentioned the keywords, 5 keywords. Okay.
Yeah.
Someone searching. Now people are searching. Then what should appear? You should create this ad, right? This is the ad. That structure. Someone
Okay.
should click on this. That is the ad. You have to create that ad also. To represent all these keywords, there should be one ad.
So that it's like, is it does it have a character constraint?
Yes, it have. That you'll be learning tomorrow. It have a character
Okay.
constraints. Now each ad group, this ad group, you can create minimum one ad. Minimum there should be one ad to represent it.
For
Maximum
DM.
for digital marketing, yeah. For data science, one. Big
Okay.
data, one. Maximum we can create 300. You will create 300, but only one time one ad will appear. Now assume that here I'm mentioning that online digital marketing training. Let's take one other example. Digital marketing training in Hyderabad. Okay. There are three ads, right? Which ad will have a more chance of getting clicks? What do you think? People will click on mostly on which ad?
I didn't understand which on the first one.
Why? Because it's on top.
Yeah.
Okay. But what I'm telling is, if a student, a BTech graduate, a MBA graduate, is looking for a job, he search this keyword, they end up clicking on this. Am I correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why? Because the ad is catchy. This guy is paying more money. That's the reason his ad is coming on top. But because his ad is very good, catchy, people are clicking on that. Now you have a character constraint. Now what you do is create one kind of ad like this, one kind of ad like this. So Google automatically do rotation, sometimes that ad, sometimes this ad. In such a way,
Okay. So
maximum you can create
okay.
300 ads. At a time, only one
Okay.
ad appears. So what I'm trying to
All
say
right.
is ad also have very significance, very important role. If you don't using a proper catchy words, there is a possibility your computer will get clicks with a lesser cost. That you'll be learning
Uh-huh.
how to
Uh-huh.
make proper headlines that you're gonna learn. This is
Okay.
account
All
structure.
right. So basically, the ad will rotate, and you can make at once about 300 different advertisements using the keywords.
Correct.
Is
No.
this only text ads, or would it include image also?
See, mostly what are the structure I'm showing, this is suitable for search network. Display different will be there. But during the classes, you will understand how it works. But as of now,
So,
remember the structure.
basically, as the network changes, the structure changes, or the
Structure always same. Structure always same.
okay,
Account, campaign, ad group, keywords, ads. But display network may you don't have keywords. Video networks, there are no keywords. Mobile app, there are no keywords. Only search network. This is the extra term we have for the search network, because display network nobody will search. Once you go to the website, will you search? No, right? You will browse.
yeah,
Okay.
okay. So then the structure, just the keyword thing is eliminated. Rest everything remains the same.
Okay. But as of now, don't assume. Think this is the perfect one. Do the course, you only understand.
Okay.
Right. So
But the ad format will change, right? It's not only text ad. It will include. Hello.
yes. So
Oh,
this is the account structure. So I was writing here account structure. First account, campaign, ad groups, keywords, ads. Now let me test you. How many accounts you can create?
10,000.
10,000. Now how many campaigns you can create?
20,000.
20,000. How many ad groups?
Hmm?
How many ad
What's
groups?
ad group? What's an ad group?
Just now you've seen, right? Ad groups also. Campaign followed by ad groups.
Campaign followed by ad groups. I don't remember.
Keywords.
10,000.
Hmm. Now, now see, actually,
Sorry, 300.
now
300.
keywords 300, right? Now I'll tell you how
Yeah.
human brain will works. Human brain will remember numbers well. Numbers well, actually.
Yeah.
I thought only Indians will remember numbers good. Now I understood that Pakistan will also remember the numbers. Now I'm concluding that all humans will remember the numbers good. But sequence galat ho gaya.
Okay.
Sequence galat ho gaya. I should ask questions from campaign, but I started asking questions from account. You telling the same answer. You got it?
Shit.
You got it? Now you remember
Yeah.
that 10,000, 20,000, 10,000, 300. But कहाँ से शुरू करना campaign से? I started from account. You're telling the same answer.
Account will be one.
Ah, so logic समझो पहले. This is your
Okay.
Gmail account. This is your Gmail account. So campaigns will be 10,000. Ad groups will be 20,000. Now keywords will be 10,000. Not with you. I tested with many people.
Okay.
Now ads is 300. Now this is one Gmail account. With one Gmail account, you can manage 20 clients. Like Yashoda Hospital, Apollo Hospital, Business School, in such a way, 20 clients you can manage. Get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. If it is more than 20 clients, you have to go with a new Gmail account. Instead of going with a new Gmail account every time, yours is agency, go for MCC account, My Client Center.
What's that?
If you take this My Client Center, instead of Google ad, you should go for My Client Center. Both same, both look same anyway, but you can have multiple clients. Instead of 20,000 clients also you can manage.
So my client center is also by Google only.
Google only, it look like Google, same Google ad only. It's the same Google ad only. But this tool, you can, agencies will use this to handle n number of clients.
Okay. My client center.
Yes, got it.
My client center is basically nothing but an account.
That is a yes. Agencies will use this,
Account type used by agencies.
agencies to handle multiple clients. As a student or else as an entrepreneur, maybe you handling 2 or 3 accounts only. This is enough anyway. If your agency handling multiple clients, I have more clients anyway. That's why I use MCC account.
Oh. So
Okay,
is that you have to pay for an MCC
but
account?
it's free account. It's free,
Okay.
right? Now
Uh-huh.
we done with the basics. Before that, I want to test you something. Assume that Yashoda Hospital came to you. They said that they wanted to operate in Hyderabad and Vizag. Okay.
Mhm.
Now, some 1 crore rupee they want to spend. Now, tell me the account structure. You have to design the account structure first. Tell me,
Yeah.
based on previous knowledge. First is
So
account.
yes,
Yashoda
yeah.
Hospital is
First is
account.
account.
Next, what are the
Yashoda
campaigns I have
Hospital,
to take?
Hyderabad and Vizag.
Vizag.
What Vizag?
That is
Is
on
that a
take.
place?
Yes. Next,
Okay.
next,
And
ad groups.
after that,
What,
um,
what services you're providing in Hyderabad?
yeah,
It's a hospital. Guess what kind of services will be there normally?
yeah, there'll be cardiology and
Correct. Cardiology,
gynecology and or
like this.
orthopedic and etc. All right.
Okay. Now, if it is cardiology, what kind of keywords people will type? Like, what keyword you
Um,
want to show your ad
mm, top surgeon, cardiac surgeon in India, best cardiac surgeon in India,
in Hyderabad?
and
Best
yeah,
cardiology
okay,
hospital in
whatever.
Hyderabad.
Yeah,
Heart
and then
specialists in Hyderabad. Blah blah blah.
yeah,
This is for cardiology. Again, for gynecology, different keywords. Pediatrics, like
yeah,
best children hospitals in Hyderabad. Then create ad.
yeah.
Create ad. This will be your account structure.
If, for example, I can create one ad for cardiology, one for gynecology, one for
That's
pediatrics.
enough. That's enough.
Mm.
One is mandatory. Many also can use it. Google will do ad rotation.
Because, for example, if you have multiple such ad groups, it's very difficult to compile everything in one advertisement, right?
Can you say that again? Say that
If you
again.
have multiple ad groups, it's very difficult to compile a single ad with a limitation of character, you know, isn't it difficult?
It's not difficult anyway. Ad might not be relevant. So you should put question in such a way that in this particular ad group, if you have more keywords, like finite keywords, one ad might not represent properly. At the time, you will divide more into more ad groups. So you'll be learning. This is advanced topic anyway. You'll be learning in the future. Okay,
Okay.
right. Now let me test your knowledge. Today we'll
Mhm.
learn two things. One is Google Ad networks. One is account structure. Now networks, we have different networks. 5 networks we have. What are the networks we have? First,
Text, search
search.
network,
Next,
um, display network,
display network. Next,
video network,
Next.
Mobile app network, shopping network.
Okay. Search network. What is the ad type?
Text.
It's a text ad. What is the bidding type?
CPC.
Where your ad will appear?
SERP.
Good. Display network. What is ad type?
Image. Banner
Image, banner. Next.
and interactive ads.
Rich media interactive ad.
R yeah, RMIA.
What is the bidding type? CP.
CPM.
Cost per mile or cost per thousand impressions. Where your ad will appear?
Yeah. Um, SERP websites,
SCRP
YouTube.
no. SCRP no. Your ad will not appear on SCRP. It will appear on websites.
Web
But you call it as a
websites.
Google Display Partner websites, YouTube, and mobile apps. Video network. What is the ad type?
Yeah, video is video. It will be
Bidding.
cost per view,
Mhm.
and it will be displayed on YouTube.
Okay. Shopping.
Shopping, it's image and text,
Text and image.
and cost per acquisition is the bidding type, and displayed on SERP
Okay. Mobile app. Ad
and
can be.
websites.
Ad can be text,
Mobile
image,
app,
video.
yeah,
Bidding type.
yeah, cost per installations,
Ad will appear on.
websites,
It will appear on SCRP websites when Google Display Partner websites. It will appear on
yeah,
YouTube. It will appear on mobile apps.
yeah,
Done.
yeah.
Search network, no problem. Tomorrow we'll be spending more time on the search network only. The consecutive 3 to 4 days we'll spend time on this. 90% of the advertisers use search network only because this is highly targeted. Someone searching, ad is appearing. People use display network and video for branding, both of them. Because these campaigns will not guarantee you sale, traffic, branding,
It's just awareness.
brand awareness. But obviously, brand awareness will give you sale in the future on a long run. Shopping ad, this is for the e-commerce website, okay, and to get more sales. Mobile apps, this is good for the mobile app owners to get more installs. Clear?
All right. But these mobile apps can be even could even belong to those who are running search network ads and shopping ads, isn't it?
What?
These mobile app ads could also be run by those who even run shopping ads and search network ads,
How come
isn't it?
search network ad? Your ad will appear
Because
on
search net
SCRP. See, there are some websites, shopping websites also mobile app. The intention of mobile app is to get more installs. Whether the mobile app can be Amazon, Flipkart, Mintra, or else whatever it might be,
yeah,
Swiggy or Zomato,
yeah,
whatever it might be.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes, you have few
So
questions
shouldn't
anyway.
so
Yeah.
so shouldn't that shopping the text and image for the shopping ads also include mobile apps?
Uh, your understanding is different anyway. Here, shopping ads, someone
No,
searching. Yeah.
no, because when we are, that it's a time that we use mobile phone a lot throughout the day. So we understand that when we find a shopping ad,
Mm.
yeah,
Mm.
even if it's not in the SERP, it could randomly come up anywhere, even in a application that you're using.
Correct,
Yeah,
correct. See, they use remarketing anyway. Here I said SERP, mostly we use SERP. Even people use branding. At the time, your shopping ads will come on websites and YouTube also. But ignore it. Most of the time, SERP is profitable for you. Again, shopping ads also, if you want to do the branding, then you can use it on website. Like I'll tell you an example anyway.
actually, what we are seeing
Listen,
now.
listen first.
Okay.
Now you type the thing called laptop. You search, ad is appeared. This is highly means that the customer want to buy it, he's searching. This give you more
Yeah.
sales anyway. Sometimes even if you go to the websites also, here our shopping ad will appear, but you're not searching anyway. You're not searching, you're seeing it anyway. When they'll use? You clicked on this laptop, you saw my ad. You didn't
Yeah.
purchased. From that point of time, wherever you go, our ad will appear. Okay, that is
Yeah.
called remarketing. Remarketing. It's remarketing also belonging, but remarketing is not comes under network. That is one process. Sometimes you didn't purchase. If you go to YouTube, there also your ad will appear. These are all called
Um,
remarketing. Shopping ads only
no,
they
but
do remarketing.
no. I have another question. It's like, there are these apps, mobile phone apps for free calling. For example, you must have heard about Emo, then there is ToTalk, all these kind of apps. These days on these applications also there are shopping ads on applications.
Ah,
What network is that coming under then?
that is, see, the shopping ad only. They are doing a remarketing. You got it? They're doing a remarketing. Somehow you've been to the website, the shopping website like Beauty Crew, you didn't purchase. Whether you go to the website, video, or mobile app, the ads keep on following you. You got
Yeah,
it?
exactly. It's like the ad is following. Yeah.
Ad is following only. So they're doing a remarketing actually. So here actually
All right.
shopping ad, actually a very rare anyway. Your ad will appear on websites, YouTube, and mobile app also. But to the point I'm telling you, mostly it will be SERP only. What are the reasons you're saying anyway? Just now I'll tell you one example. There is a Razorpay ad is coming. Yesterday I told the students how to do the Razorpay, how to add it to your payment gateway. But we didn't fill any form. So we wherever I go, the same ad is coming because they put cookies on the browser. This is called remarketing. If I remove the history, this will not come. This ad will not come anyway. So this is they're doing a remarketing. Clear?
Okay. So there a technique to do this remarketing?
Yeah, there is a technique.
All right.
That
So
will be
we
done.
learn this through the process of Google Ads only?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
This is the networks you learned. Now account structure. So the first account structure is account. Next
Account campaign,
campaign.
ad groups,
Next
keywords, and
ad groups.
ads.
Next keywords. Next ads. Now tell me how many accounts you can create
One account, that's a Gmail account.
with that.
Campaign is
One
10,000,
account, how many clients you can manage?
20 clients.
20 clients you can manage. How many campaigns?
10,000,
Mm-hmm. Ad groups.
20,000,
Okay, keywords.
10,000,
Ads.
300.
Done.
Now the sequence is,
Perfect.
yeah.
Right. So before that, in the previous class, also we learned what is impression, what is click, what is ad rank, what is daily budget. Correct?
Yeah.
These are the things you learned. Impression means if your ad is appearing, it's impression. Click means customer clicked. Ad rank means position of your ad. Daily budget means
Yeah.
how much you want to spend per day. Okay, also the
Yeah.
advantage of Google Ads is you can target the right audience, then you can measure who clicked on your ad. Return on investment also you can calculate. There were some disadvantages in Google Ads, but Google have overcome with the help of daily budget, and you have a chance of your competitors clicking on your ad. In order to overcome this, Google have overcome with the help of quality score. What is quality score? You'll be learning in the future. So there is a process actually. I can't explain everything in right now because you're in the fundamentals. But at the end of the course, you'll be learning everything. I will show you glossary of 300 to 400 terms. You will be getting perfect in all the terms.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So thank you very much.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have any questions, put a comment over here, and you can access all my previous videos with the my playlist. Thank you very much.
Okay, students.